Lesson 8, our festivals. In this lesson, we are going to learn about what are festivals, types of festivals, different religious festivals. A festival is a special day when people are happy and they celebrate. India is known as land of festivals. In India, we celebrate many festivals. Different festivals are celebrated in different ways. We celebrate festivals with our friends and family. We have great fun during festivals. We get gifts and good things to eat. We pray, wear new clothes, and meet each other. Special food is cooked at home. People distribute gifts and sweets to one another. In our country, we celebrate mainly two types of festivals. They are religious festivals and national festivals. In this chapter, we are going to learn about religious festivals in detail. Religious festivals. During some festivals, we go to temple, mosque, church and gurudwara to pray. These festivals are connected to religions, so they are known as religious festivals. Religious festivals are celebrated by people of different religions. Some common religious festivals celebrated in our country are Diwali, Holi, Eid-ul-Fitr, Christmas, Guru Parb, Navratri and Dasara, Pongal, Onam, Raksha Bandhan, Gudi Padwa, Janmashtami, Ganesh Chaturthi, Makar Sankranti, Mahashivratri. Now let us have a look at each one of them in detail. Diwali. Diwali is the festival of lights. On this day, we decorate our houses with oil lamps, diyas, candles or bulbs, rangoli and flowers. It is generally a 5-day celebration. Each day has a significant meaning. We worship goddess Lakshmi on the day of Lakshmi Pujan. People distribute gifts and sweets to each other. Children enjoy fireworks and crackers. We eat sweets and have lot of fun. Holi. Holi is the festival of colors. Usually it is celebrated for 2 days in most part of India. The bonfire is lit on the night of first day, which is known as Holika Darshan. On second day, people play with different colors. They put gulal and throw colored water on each other. The second day is called Rang Panchami. People greet each other and offer sweets. Eid ul Fitr. Eid is an important religious festival celebrated by Muslims. It is celebrated after a whole month of fasting, which is called Ramzan. On the last day of Ramzan, people come out to see the beautiful Eid moon. People go to mosque to offer their prayers called namaz. They all wear new clothes and greet each other saying Eid Mubarak. Sevaya are the special dish on this day. Christmas. Christmas is a grand festival of Christians. It is celebrated on 25th December every year all over the world. It is the birthday of Jesus Christ. Churches are decorated on this day. Special prayers, carols are held in the church at midnight. On Christmas evening, people decorate Christmas tree at home. Small children wait for Santa Claus to give them gifts. We enjoy the Christmas cake. Guru Parb. Guru Parb is celebrated to mark the birthdays of 10 Sikh Gurus. People decorate their houses and go to Gurudwaras to pray. Big colorful processions are taken out. Gurudwaras are decorated with flowers and lights. A community lunch langar is served there. Navratri and Dasara. It is celebrated for 10 days. Navratri represents celebration of goddess Durga. The word Navratri means 9 nights in Sanskrit. Final 10th day is Dasara. People play Garba and Dandiya for 9 nights. Dasara is celebrated to mark the victory of good over evil. On this day, Lord Ram killed Ravan, the demon king of Lanka. The effigies of Ravan, his brother, and his son are stuffed with crackers and are burnt. In South India, people worship goddess Durga, Lakshmi and Saraswati during Dasara. Pongal. Pongal is celebrated by the people of Tamil Nadu in the month of January. They worship the sun god, the rain god, their domestic animals, cows and bulls, etc. People prepare sweet rice called Pongal. Onam. Onam is a festival celebrated by people of Kerala. People worship the god. This is followed by a feast. The great attraction of this day is the boat race. These boats are called snake odi boats. On this festival, people of Kerala wear new clothes and have a grand meal served on banana leaves. Mahashivratri. Mahashivratri is celebrated as birthday of Lord Shiva. On this day, people go to temple and offer prayers to Lord Shiva. People generally fast on this day. Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is a festival of brother and sister in Hindu religion. Raksha Bandhan is a bond of love and affection between brother and sister. On this day, sisters tie the Rakhi on the right wrist of their brothers. Rakhi is the sign of protection that the brother promises towards his sister. After tying the Rakhi, brother gives his sister gift. Makar Sankranti. Makar Sankranti is also known as Kite Festival. It is generally celebrated on 14 January every year. People fly bright colored kites and distribute Tilgul Laddus on this day. Gudi Padwa. Gudi Padwa is celebrated on the first day of Hindu month Chaitra, and it is celebrated as New Year Day by Maharashtrians. A Gudi is raised to invite prosperity and good luck into the house. Traditionally, a paste of neem leaves, cumin seeds, jaggery, and salt is eaten on this day. Janmashtami. Janmashtami is a Hindu festival celebrated in remembrance of the birth of Lord Krishna. On this day, young people form small pyramids with colorful uniforms to break dahi handi, which is tied a few feet high above the ground. Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganesh Chaturthi is a Hindu festival celebrated as the birthday of Lord Ganesha. It is celebrated all over India and widely in Maharashtra. People bring idols of Lord Ganesha and worship it. The duration of this festival varies from 1 to 10 days. Points to remember. We celebrate many religious festivals. We pray and have fun in the festivals. We should celebrate all the festivals with unity. We should respect all the religions. Fill in the blanks with given options. People decorate their houses with oil lamps, candles and bulbs on dash. Come on, tell me during which festival they decorate their houses with lights. Come on, tell me fast. Right, on Diwali. Children have lots of dash during festivals. Come on, tell me which is the correct option out of these. Come on, fast. Right, fun. Dash is religious festival of Muslim. Come on, tell me which is the religious festival of Muslim? Christmas? No. Eid is religious festival of Muslims. Christmas is celebrated on dash all over the world. Come on, tell me when is Christmas celebrated? Come on, fast. Right, on 25th December. We wear dash on festivals. What do we wear on festivals? Come on, tell me fast. Right, new dresses. So now let us summarize. People decorate their houses with oil lamps, candles and bulbs on Diwali. Children have lots of fun during festivals. Eid is religious festival of Muslims. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December all over the world. We wear new dresses on festivals. Match the column. Raksha Bandhan. What is Raksha Bandhan? Come on, tell me. Is it a festival of colors? No. It is a festival of brother and sister. Makar Sankranti. What is Makar Sankranti? Come on, tell me fast. Which is the correct option out of these? Right, it is festival of kites. Holi. What is Holi? Right, it is a festival of colors. Guru Parb. What is Guru Parb? Come on, tell me fast. Right, it is a festival of Sikh Gurus. Navratri and Dasara. For how many days Navratri and Dasara celebrated? Come on, tell me fast. Right, for 10 days. So now let us summarize. Raksha Bandhan is festival of brother and sister. Makar Sankranti is festival of kites. Holi is festival of colors. Guru Parb is festival of Sikh Gurus. Navratri and Dasara is celebrated for 10 days. True or false? Janmashtami is celebrated as birthday of Lord Ganesha. True or false? Come on, tell me. Right, false. Janmashtami is celebrated as birthday of Lord Krishna. Festivals bring people together. True or false? Come on, tell me. Right, true. Sweet rice is prepared during Pongal. True or false? Come on, tell me. Right, true. Onam is celebrated by people of Delhi. True or false? Come on, tell me fast. Remember I told you earlier. Right, false. Onam is celebrated by people of Kerala. Which festivals do this remind you of? Kites. Kites remind you of which festival? Come on, tell me fast. Right, Makar Sankranti. Rakhi. Rakhi remind you of which festival? Come on, tell me fast. Right, Raksha Bandhan. Lord Ganesha. Lord Ganesha remind you of which festival? Come on, tell me. I told you earlier. Right, Ganesh Chaturthi. Boat race. Boat race reminds you of which festival? Come on, tell me. Right, Onam. Santa Claus. Santa Claus reminds you of which festival? Come on, tell me fast. Right, Christmas. So, kites remind you of Makar Sankranti. Rakhi reminds you of Raksha Bandhan. Lord Ganesha reminds you of Ganesh Chaturthi. Boat race reminds you of Onam. And Santa Claus reminds you of Christmas. Answer the following. You have to answer the following questions on your own. Name any 3 religious festivals. Why is Diwali called Festival of Lights? Why is Dasara celebrated? Why is Guru Parba celebrated? What do people do during Holi?